Game. If mamatay ka, ugma, anong dili man karon?
Because I'm gorgeous.
Why is your face look like a gorilla?
Because I'm son of the co-star of Gorilla series.
What do you mean by co-star?
I don't know.
Get lost? You don't know the answer? Go to hell.
Other question.
If you were to change your religious belief for only man you love, would you
I
change
will
it?
not change my religious belief because I'm insensitive. I have one God only. Thank you.
If you were to change something in your face, what would it be and why?
My nose because it's so flat. If you already see your face, it's like this. Bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye guys, thank you for my shoes selection and the job, my upper and my lower, and also my underwear.
Say to your face.
My face is distracted.
What do you mean by distracted?
From guba.
What do you mean by guba?
Nasira.
What do you mean by nasira?
Bakit ano yun?